So hello everyone, actually we are solving previous year GATE questions on this topic, soil water relationships. So in this video also we'll solve two more previous year GATE questions on this topic. So as usual, our same method, first we'll write the given data and we'll think what formula has to be used and we'll solve the problem. So in its natural condition, a soil sample has a mass of 1.980. So that means total mass he has given. Total mass is equal to 1.980 kg and a volume of 0.001 meter cube. That means this is also total volume, 0.001 meter cube. After being completely dried in an oven, the mass of the sample is 1.800 kg. So drying in an oven means the water which is present in the soil will be evaporated. So that means from there we will be getting the mass of dry soil. So mass of dry soil is equal to, that means mass of solids, 1.800 kg. And also he has given the specific gravity is 2.7. so GS also he has given 2.7. and one more thing, unit weight of water is equal to 10 kilonewton per meter cube. Gamma W also he has given. Okay, gamma W also he has given. So what he is asking, the degree of saturation of the soil is. So S is equal to what? So we know the relation actually. To calculate S, we know the relation. What is the relation? E into S is equal to GS into W. So what are the knowns here and what are the unknowns here? G only we know. Water content we don't know and void ratio also we don't know, but water content actually can be calculated from the given data. So total mass he has given, mass of dry soil also he has given. Total mass minus mass of dry soil will give you the mass of water, divided by mass of dry soil will give you the water content. So in this way we can calculate water content. And for calculating void ratio, what formula we are having? So we can calculate void ratio from gamma D is equal to Z gamma W by 1 plus C. Z we know, gamma W has given, gamma D we can calculate from total mass by total volume. From there we can calculate the bulk density. Water content anyway we will be calculating. So bulk density divided by water 1 plus water content will give you the dry density. So multiplied by acceleration due to gravity will give you the dry unit weight. So from there E can be calculated. So this is the procedure that we will be following. So I'll write step by step. Okay, first we will calculate water content. Okay, water content is equal to total mass minus mass of dry soil divided by mass of dry soil. Total mass how much he has given? 1.980 minus mass of dry soil 1.800 divided by mass of dry soil 1.800. So that means this is 0.1. 0.1 is nothing but 10% of water is there. So second one. What is the second one? So second we have to calculate dry density. Dry density we can calculate very easily. Dry density is equal to bulk density divided by 1 plus water content. This bulk density is nothing but total mass by total volume. By 1 plus 0.1. So total mass will be, I am directly substituting 1.980 divided by 0.001. This is coming around 1980 kg per meter cube divided by 1 plus 0.1, that means 1.1. so this is coming around 1800 kg per meter cube, okay. So dry density is equal to 1800 into, this is actually in kg per meter cube, but we have to convert it into kilonewton per meter cube. So for that we have to multiply with gamma is equal to rho into z. So g, how much we can take? Actually, if he hasn't mentioned anything about the unit weight of water, then we will be taking acceleration due to gravity, z value is equal to 9.81, but he has mentioned 10 kilonewton per meter cube. If unit weight of water is mentioned 10 kilonewton per meter cube, then we can take acceleration due to gravity 10 meter per second square, okay. This will be converted into Newton per meter cube. So divided by 1000, if you wait, so let us write one more step, then it will be clear. So this will be around 18,000 Newton per meter cube, but if you want to convert into kilonewton per meter cube, then divided by 1000 unit weight. So this will be also be unit weight, okay. Gamma d is equal to rho into z. So here rho value will be the dry density. So I will write density into acceleration due to gravity. So 18,000 divided by 1000 will give you 18 kilonewton per meter cube. So gamma d also we have calculated. So E we can calculate. E is equal to G gamma W by gamma D minus 1. So E value how much he has given? E value 2.7 into 10 divided by 18 minus 1. So this is 0.5. But what we want actually, S we want. S is equal to GS into W by E. So 2.7 GS value into water content 0.1 divided by E value 0.5. So this is coming around 0.54. Okay, S value is coming around 0.54. Degree of saturation is equal to 0.54 or 50%. So just careful, if it is a fill in the blank, if it is a choose the correct answer, then it is okay. But if it is the fill in the blank, you have to type the option accordingly, whether it has been asked to write in the percentage or in decimals. So that you have to take care. So this is one question, and let us solve the next question. So this is also very, very simple question. Okay, let us read the question. A certain soil has the following properties. GS is equal to 2.71. So specific gravity he has given 2.71, and porosity he has given. Porosity how much he has given? 0.40. And also water content is equal to 20%. Water content is equal to 0.20. The degree of saturation of the sample, round off to the nearest percentage. So that means we have to write in percentage. So if you want to calculate degree of saturation, then S is equal to GS into water content divided by E. But here E has not given, these two has given, GS is given and W is also given, but E is not given. E we can calculate from porosity. How we can calculate? E is equal to n by 1 minus n by 1 minus n. 0.40 divided by 1 minus 0.40 divided by 1 minus 0.40. 0.4 divided by 0.6. 0.666, that means 0.67. So S is equal to 2.71 into water content how much? 0.20 divided by E value how much? 0.67. This is coming around 0.805, that means 80.5. 0.80, that means 80.5. so here how much we will be writing? 80.5. This is actually a simple question. So generally where students are committing mistake in this kind of problems is, so they will be directly calculating this porosity here instead of calculating the void ratio. That is the biggest mistake the students will be doing in this kind of problems. So that we have to calculate, because we have to clearly observe what has been given in the question, then what formula has to be used, and what is the given what has been asked in the problem. So whether he has asked us to mention in decimals or percentage, that also we have to take care, because since in fill in the blank type of question the options will not be given. So this is the biggest disadvantage, and one of the advantage is that it is not having any negative marks. Okay, so this is about this problem. So some actually theory questions are also there, like they simply ask the formula only in the previous year questions. So those type of questions, what I'll do is I'll just prepare a PPT and I'll explain those each and every question. So since there is no much numerical calculation is involved in those type of questions, so I will cover all those theory questions in one video. So thanks for watching my lecture. If you feel the content is useful, please like my channel and subscribe as well. Thank you.